Here I have iPhone XS, and let me show you how to restore the iPhone, how to accomplish the hard reset operation by using the iTunes. So simply, let's just connect your device with the iPhone cable right here. Of course, you have to have your iTunes open on your PC. And as you can see, iPhone is detected. So now let's just use this icon of the iPhone right here, and here you can accomplish restoring iPhone. So the restore iPhone operation is like the hard reset. You will lose all your data, all your personal stuff, customized settings and install apps. Sometimes it's really necessary to accomplish that operation. For example, if you would like to sell your device, so let me just tap restore iPhone. Here you've got the information. So if you would like to erase all personal data, media and other stuff, let's just tap restore, and the device is performing the hard reset. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed. Right now the device is extracting software, so let's wait. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. You may now disconnect your iPhone and start using your device and activate your iPhone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.